Drayton Manor, the front of the Cruise. There's the entrance to the Jungle Cruise there. Going down. Going back, just give the panorama to give you the area. There's the arcades. There's Stoneforge Town.
Let's meet up somewhere. Let's meet up somewhere.
There's the river in between the two lakes. Right here, again, the entrance for the Jungle Cruise. So you can see this paddle boat with the garage unit next to it. Announcement in the distance. Okay. Good people walking around. So the entrance is on the left, just down there. Unloading. Unloading. Down there. So this is the entrance tunnel leading down at the moment. You hear the dodging cars to the left of me here, coming around. The building behind here is a garage where you exit there and enter here.
For shop really.
Yeah. Weird effects here. No, it's good enough actually. This is the building, the Pirates of the Caribbean, isn't it?
Yeah.
And then the car parks and the houses are behind there.
Yeah.
So there's noise. Noise is a contributing factor.
What, here?
Yeah, I mean you couldn't really have a noisy splash coaster. And that's yeah, we made use of it.
It's unbelievable, isn't it?
It's bigger than it looks, actually, isn't it?
Sorry?
bigger than it looks.
Oh yeah, yeah. These are the couple of things that we bought. I've just stuck them out for the time being.
Yeah. Oh right, got you, yeah. They're quite attractive, aren't they?
Yeah, we just put them out. Just sitting in the workshop, but we need to sort of set up an area for
Yes,
them in the next
yeah.
couple of weeks.
Just what you want.
We don't need to use the whole of the lake.
No, I think your idea about sort of splitting two rides is quite good fun. Because everyone loves a water ride. And if you get the sedate scenic ride, that's all the family, isn't it? All the push chairs and go and everything. You get the splash, all the teenagers, and you're pleasing everybody. This is back to the start again. This is the final dodgy bit.
Right?
It's the final dodgy bit into the
Hold on tight, chap.
into the garage. Keep your hands in.
I had that
Keep your
snake
hands
done there.
in. Oh yes.
Yeah.
Just needs to do some lost animation. Yeah.